hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
What is the elf doing? Playing cards? You playing Uno? Yeah. Are you gonna play with him? Okay. Can someone please tell me why this is her go-to? If she has to hold anything? Not a pocket, not her hands. No, it's around her belly. Yeah, go to the car. It's already started. Alright, well those shoes are coming off once we get in. Do I do it? I did it. But hear me out. Gustifer, I think, is officially dead. Okay? He stopped working yet again. And it's doing the same exact thing it did last time. I already cleaned it out. And the problem is, this time around, is my warranty is over. So, in order to get it fixed, I'd have to pay for it. And considering I've only had it for 1 year, and this is the second time it's like completely broken and won't work, I just feel like it's time to try something different. So, this was on sale, you saw, for $288, originally almost $500, and this one has it, what's it called? The self-cleaning base, so like it empties the dirt for you, which is sick. My mom has the actual Roomba too. She's had hers for years and has never had a single problem with it, okay? My shark, I loved it. When it worked great. It worked great, I loved it. But for the fact it's broken, and keep in mind, I like pick up my floors, I make sure there's nothing on the floor before I start it. Like there's no reason it should be broken already. So I'm just hoping that the Roomba lasts me much longer. What? And with Charlotte snacking and everything, like I needed a vacuum. Like it's only been dead for a couple days and I'm like, I need a vacuum. So I did it. I just went and I did it. What? What? Girl, you already had yogurt. You want more yogurt?
Yeah.
Whatever. Or you want cheese? Cheese? Okay. What? Yeah, it does get hot. Maybe we should make brownies later.
Okay.
You think we should?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's Sunday, which means it's my like reset day, which honestly also just means time to clean the bathroom and the shower, which I hate. Last Sunday, well no, eat your cheese. If you still want yogurt, you can have yogurt. Eat your cheese first. No, you have to eat your cheese first. After you can have yogurt if you want. One thing at a time. No, after. Eat your cheese. Come on. I gotta shut this. Oh, come on.
I feel so warm and happy now.
Wait, what? I think I can turn it on with an app. That would be sick.
Oh, she's babbling. Let's listen to what she's trying to say.
Oh, geez, this is big. Holy crap. This is the charger. What the? Is that gonna fit under there? No! Where am I gonna plug Gussie in? That sucks. Oh, I called him Gus. Do we need to call with a new name? I was thinking Rufus, but I might end up just calling him Gus. Who knows? Ooh, she's pretty. Yeah, she is. It is pretty, and this is different. I think I'm gonna like this. My other one was like an actual like brush. These are silicone, so that makes sense. I like that. That way I'm not gonna have to like pull hair out of it or anything like that. So pretty. This looks fancy. Should we take this off? Ooh. It's time to start tackling some of these presents.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
Okay, our family's coming over, so I think it's time to tackle this room. For no reason, because we're gonna get messy again right after I do it, but let's do it. No, I just put that there. Leave it there, please. Leave it there. Leave it. And no, let me at least pick up for a second. Yeah, I don't want you to reach it. Okay, baby.
I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish as we decorate the tree. Only you and me. I'll be making plans.
Hey, not too shabby for just like a 10-minute clean, huh? It's amazing what you can do when people are coming over. I got off easy this time though, because the rest of my house started clean. What?
Marty.
Where are we going? I'm not going over there. I actually need a snack. Wish I wish my brownies. Making brownies right now, but I'm also making this tomato basil chicken in the crock pot, and the smells I don't think are going together very well. What? Okay, but you have to sit in your chair. Are you gonna sit in your chair? Then no. Yeah, we can only eat if we sit in our chair.
Okay.
Okay, you can sit?
Yes. Mama. Oh. Oh. Mama. Oh.
What? Your calendar?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can open it again tomorrow.
B. So. B.
So this is what this old bad boy looks like. I really wish it would still fit under there, but it doesn't. And I hate that you can see the cord. I also feel like it's really big. So I want to find a different spot for it, but I literally have no idea where. Like, I wish there was a plug right here, because normally this is not here, but there's not. So I'm afraid that that might be the only spot, but hopefully it will look better once like the Christmas tree is gone and it's not so like packed over there. But we'll see. I haven't used it yet. We'll turn it on tonight and see how it works. So since she's in bed, I can turn off Miss Rachel. I end up watching like an hour of her shows after she goes to bed because I don't have anything to turn them off. Anyways, we're about to get prepared to see how Gus 2.0 works. Very important to tuck these somewhere, or at least the old Gus used to like to run them over and suck them up, so we don't want that. And now for our phone chargers, and we should be ready to go. Okay, let's turn her on.
Ooh, debut.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn her on now. There we go. I'm really curious about how loud she is because I know my mom.
What the fuck is that thing?
It sweeps all the stuff into it, I guess. Not loud. My mom's is a lot louder. Sounds powerful.
Well, your mom's is the older.
My mom got hers a long time ago.
Look at that thing. That thing is sick.
All right, I'll let you guys know tomorrow how well
Look
she
at
does.
that.
I know, the hunger.